In this video, I'll show you how to connect an LG TV to Wi-Fi without a remote. I will also show a picture of my cute dog. Method 1 is to use LG TV Plus app. Download the LG TV Plus app on your smartphone, iOS or Android. Connect your phone to the same network. Use the app as a remote to navigate and enable Wi-Fi on your TV. Method 2, a Wi-Fi name and password trick. Change your current Wi-Fi network's SSID and password to match the previous network your TV connected to. This will make the TV auto-connect to the new network. Method 3. Use wired Ethernet. Connect an Ethernet cable from your router directly to your LG TV. The TV will use this wired connection for internet access without needing Wi-Fi setup. Method 4. Use wired or Bluetooth keyboard/mouse. Connect a USB or Bluetooth keyboard or mouse to your TV. Use it to navigate the TV settings menu and connect to Wi-Fi. Method 5. Use physical TV buttons. Some LG TVs have physical buttons on the side or bottom. Use these to navigate settings and enable Wi-Fi. And that is how you connect your LG TV to Wi-Fi without a remote. Here's a nice picture of my dog because he's very cute. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.